Vengeance of the Bees is next. Oh, this is when they attack the hornet. Is it a hornet or a wasp or something?
Let me just refresh this.
I've seen this before.
I don't know what this is. Is there
You have these, I think they're either hornets or wasps who attempt to invade the hive.
Oh, and kind of like jack their tortilla.
Yeah, and normally just like straight up try to eat them, and then but the bees gang up because the bees are on the next level with the communication.
They play the numbers game.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So their strategy, I guess the honeybees or bumblebees, is try to
Those are honeybees.
cover the hornet and like vibrate and try to produce as much heat as possible.
They overheat it.
Yeah, just overheat the hornet.
Oh
I
my
think this is
God.
from Planet Earth or something because I saw this a long time ago. This clip.
They just swarm.
Yeah.
And they produce heat, and the heat
They cook
is
it.
enough.
They cook it.
They cook it, not suffocate. It's cooking.
Cooked.
Cooking.
Wow, that is incredible.
It's
I mean,
a
lot of
a
bees.
murder hornet is what it's called. Yeah.
What, oh, somebody in the chat told you?
Yeah.
Or do you know?
Well, that's what it says. This is a murder hornet. But it does ring a bell as well when I originally. But yeah, they cooked the hornet. Hornet cooked. Hugged to death by the bees. They know it's an intruder. They're not part of the club.
Yeah.
And you just try to eat my buddy over here.
How dare you?
So